NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. And in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is just breaking down my exact play. And as the only guy in the space that has done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, you bet I've seen what's making me money and what is not. Navitas Semiconductor is decent, you know. I'll put it this way because it hasn't really given me the rules yet, but I don't doubt that actually that will happen. So how I'm looking to take advantage of this is very simple. It's just that I'm waiting for the exact same thing. I got this plus 4R here. Here is the before. And boom, this is 2 weeks back. So unless I see any sort of a shift, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. So yeah, that's where we're sitting. I mean, there's two ways we can approach this. Either it gives me the shift here or pulls down and whatnot. But if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free mess, and I'll see you in the next one.